Next, I would want to call upon stage the tall boy, Unmesh. Is Unmesh here? Unmesh, please come up stage. Can we have a big round of applause for Unmesh? Unmesh joined BT only in the fighters batch. By his first year performance, he was already in COEP computer science. I tried my best to convince him that he should give JEE another shot with his heart and soul into it, and that would probably not happen along with the college. But he somewhat proved me wrong with his sheer grit and determination. At the end of the first year, he was having 7.8 CGPA in COEP along with an All India rank of 1908 in JEE Advanced. Can we have a good round of applause for Unmesh? Let's listen something from him.
Thank you, Evo sir. Good evening, everyone. I joined BT last year, and the last year has been the most wonderful year of my life here. The credit goes to my friends, my family, and of course the entire BT team. Without them, none of this would have been possible. Since everybody else will be telling you about what they did, I would like to share some things that I could have avoided so that you do not make the same mistakes as I did. Of course, the first mistake was to join a local engineering college. That could have been easily avoided. It was a very bad move, and I surely think that I could have done much better if I had taken a full drop. So if anyone among you wants to repeat a year, I will strongly urge you all to take a full drop, have courage, and hope that you will come with something much better than what you have right now. Then the next thing is take good care of your health. I still remember just a few days before advanced, I was seriously ill, and that really brought me down. And if it was not for BT sir or some other teachers, I would have probably messed up pretty badly in the advanced paper. But only after talking to them, I was able to perform decently. I wrote the papers as best as I could, but still it was really stupid of me. It wasted my precious time. So take good care of your health, my friend. Nextly, stay away from all distractions. Believe me when I say this, you will have all the time in the world after these 2 years or 3 years maybe. Just stay dedicated to your studies, work hard, and enjoy as much as you want to do once the exams are over. Don't let your conceptual doubts persist. Don't just hope that somehow in the end you will be able to clear them all. Dump all your shyness and ego in the dustbin when you join BT, because nobody here will judge you for the however stupid the questions may seem, but nobody will be angry at you for asking those questions. Just to give you an example of how cooperating the people here at BT are, I would like to share an example. Last year when I had to make a decision whether to take a branch which was not of my choice or go for a repeat, I called Vaibhav sir. It was a Sunday and it was 6:30 in the morning. After what seemed like forever, he finally answered, and I had braced myself for a long shouting. But instead he was very calm and just spoke as he would have, as if it was just another day, and it was as if it was just another normal timing in his office. So that just shows how much these people care about us. Lastly and most importantly, do not give up. It is really easy to be highly motivated and cheerful on a beautiful evening like this, but there will be hard times ahead. There will be dark times, there will be ups and downs, but these are the moments which will define your rank. This is where your true mettle will be tested, and these moments will change you as a person, as they changed me. And of course, don't be intimidated by all of this. The syllabus is surely humongous, but you are in very safe hands here. Of course, all the teachers are excellent and they will deliver their best. All you have to do is be true to yourselves, work hard and prove them right. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anish. It was so very touching. Wish you all the best and achieve bigger heights in life like your own.
Umesh is getting a scientific calculator, a study lamp, a personalized memento, and a cash prize of rupees 5,000.